What's up, you guys? Welcome back, and today we're going to be shooting out the Pegasus of Johnny B. And this thing is essentially a protege trimmer with how many hours of runtime?
3 hours.
4 hours.
4 hours.
4 hours.
4 hours.
It actually is the only protege style trimmer that comes with the one blade.
Ooh.
No, I ain't doing it. But all right, you guys, I'm going to show you guys a little bit about this. You have obviously micro USB charging. It does not come with a stand. It's got a couple other little things in the box like oil and a handful of other things. But it is a skeleton trimmer with 4 hours of runtime. It says Johnny B on it. So if you got love for Johnny B the way we do, give him a try. Also, we use a couple of their other products because I just seen them at the...
We were at the, right here, Top Notch. Yeah, that shave gel, just so you know, secret weapon right there. It's good stuff.
Chad's liking it, man. I was
Absolutely.
a little concerned that I wouldn't be able to see through it because it's like white, right?
It is, but actually it does. It's kind of transparent, and once you put it on,
It's real smooth.
it's very nice on the skin.
So let's do a quick little shootout with the Johnny B trimmer versus, this is the Pegasus, and we're going to do that versus the Coco. So, because we just got a lot of hair here. Let's see how this one goes. One little pass up, one little pass down. That thing kind of annihilates the hair right there. I don't typically do the edge up till later. I just wanted to do it when there was like a lot of hair there just to show it. All right, so that's Johnny B. That's Pegasus. All right, let's go to the Coco side. One little pass up. One little pass down. That's pretty clean too. Hard to pick the winner there. This is the side of the edge up that's not as easy. But there has been situations today where I was trying to use this and the Johnny B worked when this wouldn't. But this hair is real fine and it seems like both, I'd call that about a tie right there. These Coco trimmers started out real hot. I was like really really liking them. And then like the last two haircuts, they were really getting outperformed by the Johnny B version with the one blade on it. I think it's this blade. This blade is just so good. Hold up, my camera's crooked. Let's put that straight. Okay, that looks straight. Now this trimmer is actually a pretty great value. This is $99.95, and there is nothing in the price range that will come close to it in performance. It has the exact same blade that you find on the Saber, which is called the One Blade, and that cutter is amazing, and it will slice up the hair. When you have these set correctly, they outperform an awful lot of trimmers. And they have a great familiar housing, the same housing that you get with the hitter. The only difference is you don't get a stand, you don't get some of the extras in the box. This thing's all business. But how does it work? Well, as you can see, it just annihilates the hair, it lays waste to it, it makes some great lines. I found myself doing a shootout this week between a couple different products, and it just so happened to be that I was testing out the Coco trimmer and the Johnny B trimmer at the same time. I didn't really intend to compare them until I realized like, I should be comparing them. So I kind of did, and I can say that the Johnny B trimmer outperformed the Coco in pretty much every one of my tests. Now I've used only the Coco original blade. I have to try some of the other blades because there still might be some potential there with the Coco trimmer. I just have to try something other than the stock blade. So being the stock blade did not quite perform as well as the one blade, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna give that one to Johnny B, and it's about $60 cheaper. So with that being said, if you're a student who's looking for a budget kit or a budget trimmer, or you just need an extra trimmer, this trimmer could be for you. This is a great little trimmer, and you guys can check out the link down below if you guys are interested in picking this one up. And if you got mad love for Johnny B, if you like their other products, stuff like that, do something to go ahead and support them, man. So we've been passing this thing around in the shop. This trimmer is actually going to be in my rotation. All right, this is going to be in my regular rotation. So with that being said, man, I just wanted to jump on here, give you guys a little video, show you guys what's up. This trimmer is pretty cool. Give it a try, and I will catch you guys. In my next video. This is the YouTube Barber Academy. I'm Mr. Barber, and I'm out of here. Peace. If you guys want to drop some negative comments, I suggest you do this first. Stay out of the line of fire, man. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.